Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to mint an NFT smart contract. First, you'll need to understand the core concepts of non-fungible tokens and how they function on a blockchain. We'll then dive into setting up your development environment, which is crucial for writing and testing your code. Finally, I'll guide you through deploying your contract and minting your very first NFTs. This process ensures your digital assets are secure and verifiable. To begin, you'll need to set up your development environment. This involves installing Node.js and NPM, which are essential for managing project dependencies. Next, choose a robust code editor, like Visual Studio Code, to write your smart contract. We'll then configure a local development network, such as Hardhat, to test your contract safely before deploying it to a public testnet. Remember to acquire some testnet Ether for transaction costs. Now, let's write your NFT smart contract using Solidity, ensuring it follows the ERC 721 standard for compatibility. After writing, you'll compile your code, which transforms it into bytecode and an application binary interface, or ABI. With your contract compiled, you can then deploy it to a testnet. Finally, verify your deployed contract on a block explorer to ensure transparency and public accessibility of its code. Once your smart contract is deployed, you're ready to mint your NFTs. You'll interact with your contract, typically through a script or a user interface, to call the mint function. For each NFT, you'll specify the recipient's wallet address and a unique token URI, which points to your digital assets metadata. Confirm the transaction on the blockchain, paying a small gas fee, and then view your new NFTs in a compatible wallet or marketplace.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.